if you not take drug for the day, like who they take her, if you not take her for the day, you feel bad, really. You feel bad. The joints there, the knee, all side, you feel her.
You are the sell creep. The creep will be the sell, cancel, clear all, just come over 2 bags as I return now. Clear all my business. Business will be done the fame now. But for more than cook clear all things. The man see on no way, no day gain. No get no start see money again, one for cheap for go buy that start back the business. So like I just decide, say well a man go the can go and before I see I go thief.
For way that works business they come like me. I don't want to put on param.
Okay.
Because I take the challenge. I buy cane, I buy mic, and they make announcements. Say like this it's not good for young man, not good for big person. Neither the youth can really come up.
Sierra Leone, a country known for its resilience, its music, its spirit, but behind the rhythm of everyday life, a quiet crisis is growing. A crisis wrapped in tiny plastic sackets and smoke in the shadows. They call it Kush, a synthetic drug with devastating consequences. But behind this, who are the victims? How do they survive being trapped in addiction?
Make you think like devil. Anything where they do not like devil. Nobody see say man they get so food. Nobody see so food. Nobody see that swell food. Because they smoke and too much. Because for 5 don't put money, you smoke one. That's how they smoke and roll they sit down. Sometimes go sit down say then 5-6 hours. Because they fret we. So when this Kush we can jump on this Kush when they call Ramadan Kush. The biggest to say that affects man there. The thing when they say addiction. If you can say this, you don't addict this for me.
In this video, we spend 24 hours with young men and women into Kush in Freetown, Sierra Leone to have a deep look into their daily lives. How do they manage to survive? What are the challenges they face? On this street, sunrise doesn't mean hope, it means survival. And my first step into the Kush zones feels like stepping into another world. These addicts, like any other people, have a life before involving into Kush. But the influence of involving into Kush always leaves the society to think back on what influenced their actions.
Me I be school boy, but we see me can leave the school now as the daytime work and they are, cause of many people they don't die. I don't get nobody. My auntie will be there too. They hold me fine, they kiss me well. Medical bay, they give me, so I prefer not slack and I skits. So I can skit now, now I can do. For the day we I get for the day, now the survival, I they pick plastic, and then see how they pick a vac, they pick the rubber there, they pick them thing there, they pick most of them. So now they will sell for now we survive. So then see now also now they pick and go sell and survive for the day.
Well, me I be somebody really, because me a workman, me a builder, I build work at the before I can inside this drug, and go like to this drug, we can't put we behind with the young man then. Some of we company then they don't go, don't die. Some man don't get so we be say enable men now. Then some man right now the way they not they good looking. Yeah. Like I would say like we better small. What make I say better small because we not get so. But the way this thing done the who say we pray for land come out of this country.
After having a conversation with these two young people, I realized they've not only been trapped into Kush, but their lives have also been trapped into addiction, which is stopping them from going back to real life. But how do they feel without smoking Kush for a day?
If you not take drug for the day, like who they take her, if you not take her for the day, you feel bad, really. You feel bad. The joints there, your knee, all sides, you feel her. You feel like where somebody sick malaria and that's what they feel.
Could take you to another world where you don't know yourself.
Say na something we mix with demonic something. You see company die, then still the taker.
Many addicts pinpoint peer group influence, parental negligence, and others as the cause of their involvement into Kush. But Mohammed's story seems different.
The creep will be resell, cancel, clear all, just come over 2 bag as I return now. Clear all my business. Business will be done the fame now. But I know me, I get customer then. So there I can get business and they call me. But if I want so pure, keep on for me. But for more than clear all things, they must see on no way, no day again. No start see money again, one for cheap for go buy that start back the business. So like I just decide, say well a man go can go and fast I go thief. What people into drugs, let me say the poilats. Let me say the poilats. I don't over zero my mind now. I don't over zero my mind because like I don't get no confidence again, you know what I mean, eh? I don't give up now. Say anything they give now, let me. I design my life, I can't live here now.
So, you outside day, how much it get here a day?
I depend on how drag. If I drag better, I will get better. If I drag small, I will get small. So it depends.
For how many years you done there?
Let me see, I don't work out for 2 years now.
In times like this, what role does community people and parents play to help bring back these young people trapped into addiction back to life?
For where that drugs business they come like me, I don't want to put on param.
Okay.
Because I take the challenge, I buy cane, I buy mic, and they make announcements. Say like this it, you know, good for young man, you know, good for big person. Neither the youth the way they come up. But I don't want to say, I don't see no way. Buy 2 dozen cane, they buy them 3 dozen cane, they do all kinds of things. Still no more than they param. I can always thank God because my own 3 picking the now way God left with me. I thank God for them. They know they part of that. But the young man them, God now witness. I can play me great role for advise them, talk to them, say this kind of life not to life. Una they sit down, they look una company them. They die miserable way, so foot, them bad thing there. So some of una we not deep on this game, una try for left. But somebody they tell us say, me this yard for left, mommy. We see so now I go manage left. I say you mama we born you. They give you Bobby for something for 9 months, or for 2 years, or for 1 year, 6 months. If they sacrifice, you pull it on that Bobby, they so who's eat where you go and eat. Well, if you sincerely to yourself say me this it, I may put on my mouth, la left farm. Why you not go able left farm? So man can look laugh, he say nah true mommy we go try. So still I need a tire. I can talk to them, with the young girl, the young boy them, I can advise them for let them left. But the only thing where they can tell me, They say once they eat, they sunk. You talk complain. They say once they eat, they come, then they see them. Then they go extra mile for let them buy them. Not where they buy them for we. So man, they give me that back, talk about okay, and they church and they cause you, and they still advise you no more. Once now for you, good. So man, they realize, they say my man are true. Now we let you, now make it they tell we.
What they talk today for say let them left this year, fine for mortal my health. Then they give you free talk. They say no to your money would they take by with. So now make yourself with the left there. Let them try.
Some of who one left one come bien and bim, but it's in a way not sick. They make you sick. They sick.
The government for make something for youth man there. Okay. Can't live around for young boy. Because of we no day. Time make we can do let you go thief. Then beat you and kill you because kisses at him. The company all they do their work and they no time and they beat them and do this and do them that. They make Bakuso day, time you go so many fish side for wap you. Wap anyhow once. Any young man holding for these drugs, but if you did it, may try for avoid. This now waste of time. And then come for car, they put young man in behind. Can also before they go. Yes, you see some such man in the hot, not the night, you don't juice, you want smoke. Can man go take your papa in this, go take your mama in that part, I can't say. What they cause this all now drug. So I advise me company, any company man who smoke pills, may try for left. It's no woman passion, no planning, no get, no plan. Pay no more.
This life why they pursue, not correct life. No, it's not too correct life for me. If I get help, I go wait for me, help me. That left. So let me condition come back like we immediate skade. So they tell Papa government for let help we for let this year go come on at this country here. Because most of football that they don't die. And who don't left now because some who they take who say fine. They make life miserable. So now make so me I they talk to Papa government for let help we for let this business here come on at this country. So when we go come on at this country, who the young boy there will go wait himself who can't solve the situation how they discard. Most of me brother they don't die. The one they was sabi, most of them don't die. Look at me own brothers. And I get so man they suffer. Yes. So they tell Papa government for let help man them. For let anything no more. For waiting go make man them if na work, then man them go day. Me like me so the work what be they do, I be the guide Mosca, I the guide dirty Mosca there, sky shikula, I the guide down. Me like see make, we me like see car loss. I make car side bomber. Yes, you know see no driver. Yes.
Despite their lives being trapped into addiction, but these young people still believe that the future is bright and their hopes are high for a better tomorrow.